It's so bright. You can't even look at it with that tiny sliver. So, like, look at it with this, and there's barely any, and you still can't look at it with normal eyes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh! Crazy.
Oh my land. Oh. Oh. Here we are. Woo-hoo!
Oh my land.
There's a little star next to it.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh man. Ah, wow. Okay, you guys are being recorded.
That is so freaking amazing. Wow.
Oh man. That is so cool.
Oh,
You look out with your glasses, you can't see anything.
what do you see? What do you see?
You can. Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, that is beautiful. Hey, look at this, guys.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Don't bump anything.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, did you get some?
That's the $1 million picture
That
right there.
is.
Do you guys see that little red spot on the side?
Oh man.
Yeah, those are, I can't remember what they call those.
They're like the rays of the sun.
It is.
Oh yeah, let me get
Let's see if we can get it a little bit.
Wow.
Oh, you see that? It's starting to come back already.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
We have to have our glasses on.
Wow, guys.
Here, I'm gonna picture
Wow,
this
it's
picture.
so cool. I
Oh.
want a picture of this picture.
My lands.
Wow.
Did you get pictures?
I see the stars.
So
I see.
Yeah, you can see this. Look, right
There's
down,
another star over there.
right down to the left of it. You can see that
Get
little
pictures?
star.
That's a
Yeah. You can.
It's really small though.
cool.
How dark is
Really
it?
Oh
small.
yeah, look at that. Look at. Oh my gosh, that's so
Can you
cool.
see that little star?
Look at the rays.
We're looking at the sun, guys.
Beautiful.
Where's Teddy?
That is something.
Look at the bugs are out.
Oh, he's right here. He wants in my tent.
That is
Oh, it's
just
starting to come
amazing.
back.
You see it? The
Oh.
sun's starting to
Oh,
show.
oh,
Starting
geez.
to come back. Glasses.
Yep, there's a little teeny tiny red dot when you look through the glasses.
Oh,
Oh,
geez,
yes,
that's
here we
bright.
go.
Here it
Okay, we're
comes.
done.
Not anymore.
That was it.
Yep.
Oh, did you get a picture? Did you get that, hun? Did you get that
Yeah.
picture?
Oh no.
That's the diamond ring.
Yes, I did.
That was awesome.
Wow, guys.
That's bright.
Wow.
Look, and if you look in this, it's
Look
like
how
the
fast it's
tiniest
getting light.
sliver ever. Then you take it off and it's like really bright.
Wow, that was
That was awesome.
So cool.
Wow.
that on their birthday.
What do we get? About 20 seconds?
I guess. Yeah. It didn't seem like it was 2 minutes.
No.
That's what he said, though. He said it wouldn't. Where's your drone? I'd like to see.